Hey folks, it's Casey Dibman here, TaxSaleAcademy.com. Today we're discussing tax sale properties in areas that just aren't overly desirable. Maybe it's a crime-ridden section of town. Perhaps it's an old industrial town and the economy's just dried up. Maybe it's just an area where properties aren't valuable for whatever reason. There are a number of different reasons that an area could be considered less than desirable. As we know, taxes are based off the real estate's value. Low values equal low taxes. Even still, in the less desirable areas, there's a higher than average chance that property taxes won't get paid. This means that a lot of cheap properties will be available in bad areas for little money. But should you actually take a risk? Should you invest in those areas? Well, there are three main factors that I take into consideration. The first one is value. Obviously, is the value there? In some of these very economically challenged areas of the country, you can buy houses all day long for just a few $1,000s. This makes it very challenging as a tax sale investor to spend much money on tax sale properties. Without the value, you don't have an investment. It's as simple as that. So make sure the value is there. Number two, can you resell it? No matter what the price is, can you actually get someone to purchase it from you? And can you do so rather quickly so you aren't holding on to it too long? By investing in these less than desirable areas, you are automatically shrinking your buyer's pool. The less desirable the area, well, the less buyers that you're going to be able to have. And number three, safety. Will you feel safe going there yourself or sending a representative or scout to the property for you? There's nothing like being in an area where you don't know if you're going to be robbed or not. I've been there. I've done that, and I never purchased properties in those areas again. So these are the three primary questions that you should ask yourself. While it might be tempting to invest in these less than desirable areas, and perhaps you can do so for extremely little money, the risks often outweigh the rewards. So be sure to take a subjective approach and make sure that you're not just buying something because it's cheap. That's all I've got for today, folks. To learn more about tax sale investing, head on over to my website at TaxSaleAcademy.com. Again, that's TaxSaleAcademy.com. Have a wonderful day, folks. Take care. Bye-bye.